In today's video, I'm going to use a HEXBUG remote control dragon and make a cargo to pull batteries like these. And I'm going to weigh it on the scale to see how much it's actually pulling. And for grand finale, I'm going to be carrying a giant arcade pinball machine, which is really heavy. And don't forget to spot the Yeti.
Hi guys, today we're going to do a cargo system. So if you want to do this, let's get started! Okay. So, if you want to build this, here is how it works. So first, you need a remote controlled thing, and like this, a string, a box, and 4 Hot Wheels. So what you do is get some tape, and then attach the Hot Wheels like this, so that you can roll around. And then attach a string to the box on wheels and attach it to the end of your remote controlled car. Turn it on. Mine is remote control dragon. So turn it on and see if you can pull it more cargo than mine. And I have a scale here so I can keep track of how much I've pulled. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to weigh the dragon itself and the thing so it's pulling. Okay, so right now it would be pulling. Oh, I have to set on this edge. So it's pulling 300 grams. Okay. Now I'm going to pull it and see if it can pull it. Now I'm going to add around 100 more grams, which is 2 9-volts, so I can get around 80 grams. Okay. So now I'm going to add weight on what was already on the past time, which is another 2 9-volts. Now I'm going to pull it. Two more 9-volts. Okay. So now I'm going to add 4 of AA's so I can get around 100 grams. Okay.
Ready, go!
Now I've added a tray because it's starting to be too much items to carry. So here are the items that we've begun with. Okay. 500 grams. That's a lot.
So I'm weighing the item now again. Now I'm gonna do bonus round. I've used everything in the past plus this. Ooh, 1 kilogram. Okay, making sure nothing gets hover exported. Nothing gets recorded, so this is its weight. 1 kilogram and 356 grams, plus everything else. I think it won't carry it.
3, 2, 1.
Now think if this will carry it, can move it or not. Let's pause and figure out if it will move it. Now let's go. Is actually moving it? Yes, it is moving it. It's gonna take a while, but yes, it is moving it. I'm gonna try and back it up so I can move it even further. So I moved it, but then it got stuck. So I guess both of you are right. Yes and no is right, I guess. Yeah, he's confused too. If you'd like to know where I got the dragon, first go to the HEXBUG and it's a dragon. It's basically a HEXBUG dragon, but now it's called HEXBUG box right now. And this is what it looks like. It's really cool. And unlike other HEXBUG, it's actually powered by a LiPo battery, so you don't have to worry about replacing the batteries often. You can just recharge it, wait for an hour or two, and you can play with it again.
Like and subscribe. And don't forget to share down here. Bye!
Now here's a bonus clip of getting our dog, Cookie. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna try to turn around. But there it goes. Come on, come on, come on.